Hello and welcome to your third tutorial in this extensive front-end program that is meant to transform you from a total beginner to a complete guru in the shortest time frame. And it is absolutely free. This tutorial is going to be the first one in developing the BoxiBall described in details in the previous tutorial. If you are a total beginner, this tutorial has two prerequisite tutorials that are necessary for you to watch. Please fetch them on our Facebook page, LinkedIn page, YouTube channel, my own personal web page, or Google Plus page. Wherever you land, you will be able to find links to all of these. Please type in what you see on the screen right now. No copy pasting. Type it in, it is very important. Name the file boxyball.html. Open the file using the latest version of Google Chrome. You would be able to find a download link to Google Chrome wherever you land. Now change the title, save the file, refresh the browser, and note the effect. Now change the body's content to what you see getting typed on the screen right now. Open div tag, open another div tag, close div tag, and close div tag. If you have been watching the previous lessons as well as this one and you're starting to wonder what are these tags, what do they stand for, what's a p tag, what's an article tag, what's a div tag, you should watch the next lesson that comes as an optional tutorial, even though it is highly recommended. This is the end of this tutorial. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to all our social media pages for an exclusive learning experience. And until I see you next time, have a great time!